Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 27th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, I think this one should be a 3 stars puzzle because this one has 26 printed digits. Should be a 2 stars or 3 stars, not the 0 stars. We have here also a 4 star Sudoku. Then we have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, and one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will solve is this one. The 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 7170. 7170. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've told you 26 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. Well, it could be a 2 stars, could be a 3 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah. Is this a 3 stars or 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row. So no 1 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. Here, 7 in the second column. No 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. Do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Right. Then. How about? Let me see. Come on. I'm scanning. Come on. 8. Yeah. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. Okay, 5. Interesting. Need a 7 here. 9. Well, the 9 and the 2. Okay. Says need a 7 here. Well, 2, 3. The 2, 3 here. Well, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the middle row is a number 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. Here 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. Only place left for 2 in this row should be there. Okay, now 3, 1 and 4. I need a 4 here. Wow. 4, 1. Okay, need to wait. Let me see. 2, 2. Okay. Need an 8 here. 7 in this row. Third row. 7 in the second row. From the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so the last row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the column next, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Wait. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in this column. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 6. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. 9, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. Need an 8 here. 8 in this row. Last row. 8 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 7, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have 3 in this row. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So 1 and a 2 are left. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. Okay, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1, okay. Need a 2 here. Alright, 9, 5, need a 3, 3, 3, 3, yes, 2. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 9, 5, and a 3, need a 3, yeah. 5 in this column. Last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 in the last row should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes and there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the second row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there, and all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column. First column, 4 in the third column. So the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, so now we need an 8 here. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 now in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and 8. We have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. 9 and a 5. We have a 9 now in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than faster than 1 star. Yeah, not the 2 stars, not the 3 stars. It's a 1 star. Yeah, because I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it all solved myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now, and see you later.